Wow. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you avocado red banana smoothie. Right, so I have some red bananas here, frozen, and I have half an avocado. I have some coconut water, some flaxseed that I will be using. I'm gonna add the avocado to the blender. I'm gonna add red banana. Add my coconut water. And I'm gonna use some of this flaxseed, roughly a tablespoon. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna cut up some prunes in it. I'm gonna cover it and then I'm gonna blend. And there I have it guys, all done. My avocado smoothie. So I'm gonna glass it now. Wow, it's delicious. Looking delicious guys, so let me taste this. Wow. Guys, it's not too sweet. It's not sweet, none at all. The avocado is tasting great in it. The banana is awesome. So go ahead and try it. Go ahead and try this delicate recipe. You will love it. If you're a lover of pear and banana, go ahead and try it. You will love it, alright? So guys, remember to like this video, share it to your friends and families. Don't forget to leave me a comment on what you think about this nice smoothie, okay? So until next time, see you in my next video. Bye!